My boy Larry, the 2021 SR5 Lux, is out and about and ready for his next overhaul. And what better place for a range of shiny, sexy accessories than our local TJM? We're here at TJM 4x4 Accessories Pakenham, and jam-packed full of goodies is what Larry will be when he leaves. Hi Don, I'm Sandra. Meet Larry.
G'day Sandra, g'day Larry, it's nice to meet you both.
Now Don, Larry has already had his backside beefed up. What can you guys do to add some flash to his face?
We're going to be adding a TJM Outback Bull Bar and a TJM Winch to Larry to help him stand out from the crowd. The TJM Outback Bull Bar, as well as offering heaps of protection, will offer the opportunity to just add tons of accessories. The TJM 9,500 pound torque winch will get Larry out of every sticky situation.
So how can we make Larry stand up with a bit more confidence and carry a bit more?
We're going to set Larry up with a 2-inch lift and a TJM GVM upgrade. The TJM 2-inch suspension lift will let Larry climb over some pretty big rocks, and the TJM GVM upgrade will allow Larry to carry everything in the back with heaps of confidence.
Well, that all sounds fantastic. Is there any other goodies that might make my boy Larry here into a man?
There's two. There's a TJM Snorkel which we'll be fitting and some TJM Side Steps. The TJM Snorkel is going to let Larry breathe in some cold, clean air from really high up. And the Side Steps are going to offer Larry heaps more protection if he gets into a little bit of rough stuff off-road.
Well, that all sounds great. Tell us a little bit about the team here.
The team at TJM Pakenham are wonderful. They've been here for 2 years in their current location, and they're equipped to fulfill every vehicle's needs, whether it's for dealer work, fleet work, or our valued retail customers.
John, we are super happy to be leaving Larry here in your capable hands. See you in a week.
Thanks very much.
Wow, what a transformation. Larry is barely recognisable from the stock Lux he was just a few weeks ago. John and the team here at TJM Pakenham have done an amazing job buffing him up with extra armour, extra toys and extra clearance. There's still plenty more additions to come, so make sure you follow Larry's journey and get those entries in to get his keys for keeps. I'm Sandra Horn, and I'm taking my boy Larry Lux, fitting him out with some of the best accessories available and making him into a man worth over $100,000. Then I'm setting him free to become one lucky winner's mate or playdate. Purchase Narva, Projecta or Hilux product on your NAPA trade account for an automatic entry and your chance to take Larry home. Don't miss out.